What's up, AC gang? Your boy Capo here, and right now, as you can see by the title, I'm about to surprise Abby with her birthday present. Well, it's an early birthday present. And the thing is, she did ask me for buy it for her from like 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna tell her, say, Abby, say me not no money still for buying her shoes for you still. She say, alright. Cause she have like 2 birthday look what she want. So that's the thing I'm buy shoes I'm buy for her. It would be the one what she really want. Cause the look she really want pull off for her birthday. So I say no, I buy it. So she have no idea some order it online. It just come today. I just come for the road, it's sweating. I'm gonna pick it up and I'm gonna wrap it. Early birthday, I guess. This is the package. I buy wrapping paper while I go on the road, so I'm going to wrap it up nice and cute and everything, and I'm gonna give it to her. See how she's gonna react to it. Most likely she'll feel nice and stuff, But let's go, guys. We're gonna do it together. Guys, one of the things, should I like blindfold her and then surprise her? That'd be more fun, because I can't just walk in with the camera and give it. It kind of feel weird. So I'm gonna just go up there, put this down back somewhere, and then blindfold her, and then probably that'd be more exciting. You don't think? I think so. So let's do that. Abby. Turn on the music, please.
Yeah, we love for.
Oh, we can't video.
We have we love for.
Alright, we have a surprise to give. Because, your birthday come for everything. So, when you sit down,
I crab.
I'm not tell you what. I'm going to blindfold you.
I'm a good makeup, I'm a good eyebrow.
You have makeup?
Eyebrow, I'm do my eyebrow.
Anyways, I blindfold you. And then I give the thing and then,
I thought Sunday my birthday.
I don't know your birthday, but it soon come though.
What do you mean by your number?
When you born? Which day? Sometime of the week. Don't play. Just come now. What do I say?
I saw me a bubble. I'm put on my ear.
Don't move,
Give me.
What do I put on that pen?
I'm not put that book on.
Please, put on pen. And just calm down. But that girl look good and slimmy.
Let me see what I saw.
Hello, just put on that.
Capo. Ah, Jesus. Wait, do. I'm not smudge my eyebrow.
How much finger this?
21.
You're full now.
Give me now.
Alright, don't move.
Yeah. Capo, give me now. Capo.
What are you on? What are you good?
Don't try. This big answer.
What are you thinking this?
I don't know for myself.
It might be fragile.
Yeah, I'm going to shake it till I'm full. So we can't have this now?
Oh yeah. You're up in our bag.
Don't try. Capo, I saw their birthday. I do this for Sunday, so.
So any birthday for you?
Capo, so I can't know when I'm birthday. I'm vexed with you.
When your birthday? Not for 15.
I'm not think about one. Take it.
Alright, when your birthday, man.
So act like you don't know my birthday.
If I come here, have you. Take time with you,
Yeah. I'm the big box. Yeah. I'm carrying this come from Capo.
Ear, buy ear for you. I don't know what type of ear to buy. I buy ear for you.
Yes, front. You know me at girl. Capo, why not try to put from me? Capo, do.
You want to know in there, but you don't run.
Try to talk about now and that. Capo, why have you?
I want video to what? Capture the moment.
Box answer.
You gotta capture the moments, man.
I can't talk.
What that's this?
You liar! You liar!
You liar!
Capo! I tell say I couldn't get it.
Listen, whenever I get it, listen, I couldn't get it. Mind change.
Oh, you're a liar. Come here. Thank you. You a liar, Capo. Yeah, but you a liar.
How much size are we again?
So, can't wear it.
I thought you 8 by or 9. You can 9 by now.
You can't go for it. I'm not going to put on it.
So you can't put something like, you can't put on like a big socks and make it fit you.
Can't find no size 8 I'm wear. I'm not going to put on it.
Probably 8 man. Check it now.
Alright, yeah.
You fool like.
Yeah, I get it. Ja, you shouldn't have. Massa, you have to trick me.
So that go on?
My mom have two like it. You know, that blood clot. No love.
What that's so?
Booty come out and all these things.
Look like you have nothing you did.
Yeah, like, I'm bad this time. What is that?
Tough, you know?
Bad your phone. Look at you, look at you. Thank you. Yeah, but we're not gonna lie.
You like it?
We didn't expect a crab.
Crab?
Crab. But, yeah, my birthday dressing come true. Even though I have a backup, you know, because I never have a backup. Boy, this tight the fuck. But I like it. It's a fucking bun my foot. And so...
Happy early birthday. Then your suit ready now. Birthday suit.
Thank you, careful.
Then dead and be things now.
Them dead?
I'll let them beg.
Them dead. Check it out. Check it out. Practice my pose from now.
Go there. Go there. Hey, what you gonna do? Oh, a joke, man. A joke. Free though, what there? Oh! So, guys, there you have it. She look excited.
I mean, so guys.
Oh, me a vlog. It's a vlog, you know what you think? Me have to waste memory. I'm vlogging. Vlogging.
You look a snicker, you.
So people, thank you so much for watching this video. It's your Abbi mad. About one nigga shoot Shakir, go and so.
People, you understand? It's my birthday shoes. Look at you, tell me something. I go park camera, eh?
But they look good.
They look good.
No. I joke, but anyway, people, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment. If you don't like Abbi shoes, just comment. Never comment it.
Comment and say, would it come out? And all these things.
Yeah, tough, you know. So make sure when I'm on my video this day, move man. When your birthday again.
Come on, stop fuck yourself.
When your birthday,
Like
when your birthday day, you can get the camera full and everything.
Move.
So people, subscribe and comment down below.
You're good there. I think today my birthday, you know. It's not today my birthday if you think I why you give me this so early? It's not today my birthday. You think I today my birthday?
When your birthday, for real. I like, I know my birthday. You never know your own birthday. Me know your birthday.
Sometimes we forget.
Oh. So people subscribe and comment down below if you enjoy this video.
Comment happy birthday, Abbi.
We share birthday shot on 20 whatever now. I know
I'm gonna be 23 guys.
Yeah,
23. Yeah.
So
okay, I'm wipe on the bottom.
Subscribe and comment down below if you enjoy this video. Might talk our birthday.
No, I'm gonna do it.
AC gang is
Ah! I just want my eyebrow. I bet.